Hi guys, I'm back and I'm want to do a reading today. Actually, I watched a video from by Christine and Celeste, who is a gorgeous lady. I recently discovered her channel and I've been watching her videos, and I absolutely love her. I love her energy. I love the way she talks, everything. Now, she did a video using doing a reading with one tarot card and one oracle card. And I wanted to do it too. That's a VR video to her. I'm gonna use, as you can tell, the Green Witch Tarot, which I absolutely love. And there are some of the cards you can see. I'm sure you all know the deck by now. It's a wonderful deck, a beautiful deck. I absolutely love it. And since it is based on nature, I decided to go with an oracle deck, with my animal oracle deck. Now, this deck I printed. I didn't buy it. I wanted a deck to with as many animals as there could be. There are a lot of decks out there, but they consist mostly of 20 or 30 cards. And this wasn't satisfying to me because they were either, the Celtic animals or the Australian animals. I wanted a deck that would have as many animals as there could be because, there are so many animals out there in the real world and I wanted it to be real. So I searched the net and I found this deck, which is gorgeous, and I wanted to buy it. I looked for it. I searched everywhere, couldn't find it anywhere to buy, so I ended up printing it, and I love working with this deck. I love its energy. So I'm gonna pull one card from this Oracle deck with the animals and one card from the Greenwich Tarot deck, and do the reading. So I'm gonna pause the video, have some of my apple juice, which I love. It's so tasty, and we'll be back with the cards. So I'm back, and these are the two cards I drew. What I asked was, how can I, or how should I be? What state of mind, what actions should I take to just feel happy and enjoy everything around me? How should I be at the moment? What should I do? And there we have the Page of Pentacles. As you can see, it's a beautiful card, and I love this card. And this is really accurate, actually, and I'll tell you why. And there's the butterfly from the Animal Oracle. Now, the Page of Pentacles in this card is a young boy who is working during summer, and that resonates with me at the moment because I have some things to do for the university and my master's studio. So this tells me, there's summer, you have work to do, enjoy it, enjoy your friends, treasure what you have, treasure the moment, the work you do, the summer, the tools you have. Enjoy yourself and treasure everything you do and have fun doing it because you have to do it. There will be friends, there are friends who are loyal and will help you, and you are skilled in doing it, and you will do a great job. You have everything you need, and enjoy everything you have. It will be fun. And there's the butterfly also, who the butterfly talks about beauty and change and growing into something better. So it tells me, just enjoy yourself, see the beauty in things, make changes, make the changes you need to be satisfied, and enjoy yourself. Those two cards combined, I feel that tell me that you have the skills, you have everything you need, you have loyal friends, you know your stuff, enjoy every moment, treasure it, enjoy the changes, make everything better, make everything the way you want them to be, and respect and feel a gratitude for everything you have and everything you can enjoy. Like the summer, it's a warm summer day today, and it's a beautiful day, it's a sunny day. So that's the message. Enjoy your friends, enjoy your work, enjoy the world. Everything is transforming. Make it the way you want it to be. See the world through your eyes, how you want it to see, and have fun. So I really enjoyed this reading now, and I really feel pleased and calm having done it. And I want to thank Christine and Celeste for giving me the idea of doing this reading today. It was really refreshing, and it was really good to see her videos. So yeah, that's it for today, folks. Hope you're enjoying your day. Hope you're enjoying your summer, and talk to you soon. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.